Wormfare slap listing and withdrawal update. Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will be showing you the Wormfare slap listing and withdrawal update. This is a quick and easy review, so please keep on watching. The first thing you're going to do is to tap on the 10 million airdrop button if you have it. You should be able to see this interface here where it says 10 million airdrop. Since I don't have it, I'm going to show you this picture of the page instead. Here you will be able to see your jam balance as well. Then click on Earn. Once you click on it, you will be able to see these options here. Here you can collect free jam offerings every day. It will then appear on your balance. If you want to exchange it, just click on Exchange and tap on Make Jam. It will then convert your Wormfare token to jam. And if you're finding it hard to difficult to connect your wallet here, just click on Settings and add your wallet. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!